Hi, I'm Sean and welcome back to Cool Gear TV. Today I'll be showing you our SATA to USB converter. All you have to do is plug it into your USB and then you plug in the power. It's compatible with both SATA 1 and SATA 2 hard drives, both 2.5 and 3.5 hard drives. It's also compatible with operating systems such as Windows Vista, Windows XP, 98, 2000, and is also operatable with Mac OS X. On the front of the product here, you can see a power LED and a busy LED. Now, if I was actually transferring data, the busy LED would actually be on. And in the future, our product will also have a switch for power. So basically, if you have any hard drives laying around that you need to transfer data on to or from, then this is a great product for you. Thanks for watching Cool Gear TV.